CPT is a set of medical codes used to describe medical, surgical, and diagnostic services provided by healthcare providers. Understanding code components and its type is crucial for accurate medical coding, billing, and communication within the healthcare industry. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome to MedCode Insight. Hi, I am Nishaba, a certified medical coder. Understanding CPT components and its types ensures that the services provided are properly documented and reimbursed. In this video, we will discuss about the component and types of CPT code. So without further delay, let's get started. Let's break down a CPT code into its component to understand its structure. The important components of a CPT codes are code number, standalone, descriptor, add-on code, and parenthetical notes. Let's discuss each component individually. First component of a CPT code is a code number. This is the numerical identifier or a unique number for a specific or distinct medical service. Next important component of a CPT code is a standalone code. A standalone code refers to a code that represents a complete and independent service or procedure. It does not require any additional codes to describe the entire service. Next component of a CPT code is a descriptor. The descriptor provides details such as nature of the service, body system involved, approach, any related services. The descriptors are crucial for accurately identifying and documenting the services, facilitating proper coding and billing in healthcare setting. Next component of a CPT code is an add-on code. These codes are supplementary codes and they are used to report additional procedures or services performed in conjunction during the same session as the primary procedure. These codes are dependent on the primary procedure and not intended to stand alone. Next component of a CPT code is a parenthetical notes. These notes offer additional guidance or clarification regarding use of that code. They may suggest related codes or provide instruction for proper coding. In the previous discussion, we covered the component of a code. The 5-digit number serves as the code number followed by a code description. In the code description, there is a semicolon which divides the description into two parts. The first part is known as standalone and the part after the semicolon is known as descriptor. Below, there are two additional descriptors and we need to select the correct descriptor according to the procedure. Let's focus on primary code. Taking the example of osteotomy of the spine, the first primary code is 22220 with a code description: osteotomy of spine including dissectomy, anterior approach, single vertebral segment, cervical. The second primary code is 22222, osteotomy of spine including dissectomy, anterior approach, single vertebral segment, thoracic. Primary code 22224 is with the same description but specific for lumbar region. In the primary code, the procedure is performed on the single vertebra only. For each additional vertebra, an add-on code is required, which is used along with the primary code. In summary, primary codes are designated for different vertebral region and add-on codes are used for additional vertebra. Let's understand this with the procedure with two different scenarios. David injured his back while playing tennis. His injury required surgery. Surgeon performed an anterior osteotomy, including dissectomy to single lumbar vertebrae segment. In the given example, the procedure was performed on the single lumbar vertebral region. So the correct code is 22224. As the procedure was done on single segment only, so there is no need to use an add-on code along with the primary code. Let's take the same example but with different procedure. David injured his back while playing tennis. His injury required surgery. Surgeon performed an anterior osteotomy including dissectomy to three thoracic vertebrae segment. In the given example, the procedure was performed on three thoracic vertebral region. So the correct primary code is 22222. The primary code 22222 is for single vertebral segment and the procedure was done on three vertebral segment. In this scenario, we will use an add-on code along with the primary code. One add-on code represents one additional vertebrae segment. So for three vertebrae segments, we will use two add-on code as one vertebrae segment is included in the primary code. So our correct answer is 22222 along with the add-on code 22226 into 2. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section or reach out via email.